we are trying to do this customization. So once this installation is gonna be done, okay, we can actually go and try doing the browser test one more time. So when you have the IP address put there in the browser window, refresh that one and you will find it's gonna start showing you a website over there with the default page. And this is the public IP of the server. All right, very nice. So it's working for you. That is great. So what you need to do is you actually need to copy this IP and put that in the browser. Okay. Do not click on open address. Open address is not gonna work. Copy IP, put that in the browser window. Very, very nice. So browser test is what you added a web application on it. Okay. Servers, PowerShell. Okay. Yep, that is correct. It's not working. So you confirm that the installation was complete, right? So that's nice. So we need to go and troubleshoot that. Let me check for Shriji as well. Do the test here. Okay, let me check that real quick. Okay, yep, that is correct. It's not working. So you confirm that the installation was complete, right? So that's nice. So we need to go and troubleshoot that. Let me check for Shriji as well. Let's see if that is working or not. Okay, yep, Shriji, it's not working as well. So the very first thing which we need to go and check is the firewall rules. Okay, that's correct. So we need to go to the security. Okay, there's a security tab below here. Come to the dashboard, select the server you are working with, and then we need to click here on the second tab, which is security. And another thing you might have noticed is that, I do work with the multiple tabs, so it's gonna be easy for us to go and switch between these tabs, right? So good idea to go and, work with the multiple tabs here. So as soon as you come here on the security tab, you will find this is where your firewall rules are specified. Okay, so you need to ensure that do you have these two roles showing up there for you. Okay, so we do have a port number 80 and all IPs are allowed, and then we have port number 3389 and all the IPs are allowed there. All right. Okay. In case if you have missed any of those, in case the AT is not showing up there or HTTP is not showing up there, we can add that now. Okay, that's a good exercise. We can change, we can modify that now. Let's do that. How to fix it? Okay, so we are going to be going and clicking here that I want to change my firewall. We'll go and click on this link. It is going to go and open that firewall with all the inbound rules over there. Once you scroll it down, it's going to go and show you that you have only one rule, and you can go and click on, say, edit the inbound rules, and then add the one you need. Okay, so in this way we can actually modify or change these firewall rules at any point of time we wish. Okay, and we don't have to reboot the machine to make this effect. Okay, it's going to be on the fly. So as soon as I go and click on say I want to edit these inbound rules, and I will go and click on say I want to add a one more rule. I will choose HTTP from the drop down, and then we'll go and choose anywhere IPv4 and save the rule, and you are going to be good. All right. Okay. Yes, Narendra. What help do you need? You just need to go to the remote machine, and then you need to open the PowerShell. Oh, that is the run the script here. Okay. Just run this PowerShell command. Uh, how to open the PowerShell? Oh, it's pretty easy. You just need to go and click on the start button on the remote machine. How to troubleshoot. As of now, you might have noticed that as soon as you put the IP, it is actually showing you the default page of to my virtual machine which we have created in the cloud, and we are going to be going and trying to create our own custom HTML file here. So I'm going to be going and using a notepad here. And in this notepad, we are going to be going and trying to add some HTML lines, some HTML code here. Okay, just few lines from the HTML side. Uh, It says that it is an HTML code, and it is going to be going and adding some background color to it. Okay, it's going to give a kind of a green color code to it. And then I'm going to say it is my web server. I will add a signature to it as well. This is my first web server, and then closing the HTML code step. All right. So I just shared that here with you in the chat box, and this code is also available there in the resources sheet. Okay, just update it over there as well. Once you um, all right, and let's go and click on save. And as soon as you save this one, you will find that the default page which we have seen earlier is actually going to be replaced with your own custom page. The custom message is going to be going shown here, and there we go. We do have our own application page showing up here. Our own website is going to show up here. Is that working for you? Is that good for you? All right, that is great. Let me share the link for the sheet one more time. And I think the team is doing a great job updating it. Thank you very much, folks. So have a look, keep it handy. Okay. At any point of time, you need a path, you need a code, you need a link. So everything is here. Using this custom AMI machine, I will be able to create multiple web servers which are going to be having my own password, which is going to be having IIS server already installed on it. right? The web server already configured on it, and I don't have to go and do any kind of manual steps for it. This image already know that what I need, and it is already going to be having everything baked into it. And that is what we are going to be going and doing next.